This is Paul Cardoso over off of Pebble Beach, Newark, California. If you don't know where Newark is, it's right next to Fremont. If you haven't been to Newark yet, reach out to me, reach out to my team. We'll take you on a tour around the neighborhood so you can see the different neighborhoods that we would recommend, suggest, or even just to come out and hang out for an event. I'm happy to take you to one of my favorite lunch spots, show you some of the cool coffee spots. If you're into dim sum, there's a fantastic dim sum spot around the corner from us as well. Come and check us out. We're happy to give you a nice neighborhood tour of Newark, California. Salud to all my wine lovers out there. Ganache. Let's give this a shot. It smells really nice. Ooh, it's refreshing. Very crisp. Once it's fully chilled, it's going to be delicious. On some of the older videos about how wine corks go. There was some bleed. You can see here just a little bit of bleed that's coming across, but it never reached to the end. And so even though there was some bleed, it just means that it was good that we opened it now. We didn't wait another 10 years on it or 5 years on it, because this would actually peel all the way out to the end. If it goes all the way across, then the wine integrity could be. Let's give this one a try. Okay, this one is Meritage white wine. Wow, it smells delicious. Ooh, that is great. So 2013, Livermore Valley, Myriad as well. They said there's only 4 barrels produced of this, so it's a very, very small lot. And again, if you need any neighborhood advice for Newark, California, reach out to me. This is Paul Cardoso signing out. Cheers.